Hi guys, today I have a very interesting video where I will show you how you can do this.
Iron Man.
It's not that amazing. Imagine surprising your friends or even your social media followers using these face swap videos. The reaction you will get will be priceless. So do you want how to do this? Let me show you. But before we start, this video is only meant to show you the remarkable possibilities of video editing. However, any misuse of the face swap technique will get you into trouble. Alright, let's get started. Just click the link in the description and you will get this page. So to start with, just copy this file, save it into your drive, and you can access it anytime. Once you have done that, we need to connect our computer. So click connect here. And then we need to run this file. To do that, just click the play button here. Scroll down. Click play here. And also here. And that's all. We now reduce the soft faces in the video. So click this folder. Click here. And now choose the video. And you will get the video here. Now again click on this icon. Now upload the photo of the person with whom you want to swap your face with. And your image will appear here. Okay, to start the process, scroll down here and you will find this code. Now we need to add the video and image to this area. Before that, make sure image and video file does not have any number or special characters or even spaces. I have number in the video file, so let's rename it. Now to add the file, first right click on the video file, click copy path. Now select the portion and paste it here. Similarly, copy the image file, then select this portion and paste it. Finally, click here to start the process. It will take a few seconds to generate the video. You get a new file called swap. If you right click on it and click download, you will get video downloaded into your PC. So let's open it. Amazing, right? You can go ahead and impress your friends. So that's it guys. This is how you can swap faces with anyone you want. Alright, I gotta run and I will see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye bye.